Good morning, students. Welcome back to the session of virtual classes after the UTs and winter vacation. I hope you all are fit and fine and studying well at your home. Students, today I Renu Tyagi, your computer teacher, going to continue lesson number 7, that is Introduction to MS PowerPoint. Our today's topic is deleting a slide. Means if there is a unnecessary or unimportant slide in the presentation, how can be deleted? To do this work, we have to follow some steps. First of all, we have to select the slide which has to be deleted. जो स्लाइड डिलीट होनी है उसको आप सेलेक्ट करिए सबसे पहले, ठीक है। आफ्टर दैट गो टू द होम टैब। होम टैब में जाइए and there you have to find the slide group. And now in this group you have to click on the delete button or command. These steps you can see in your book also. See here. First of all, from here you have to select the slide which you want to delete. After selecting it, go to the home tab. Here you have to click. As you click here, you have to go to the slide group. Under this list, there is a slide group. From there you have to click on the delete slide. Right? These are the steps which you have to follow to delete a slide. Now next topic is saving a presentation. Means after completing the presentation we need to save it for future use. प्रेजेंटेशन आपने एक बार बना लिया तो ऐसा नहीं है कि एक ही प्रेजेंटेशन को हम बार बार बनाते हैं। हम क्या करते हैं, एक प्रेजेंटेशन बनाकर उसको अपने कंप्यूटर में किसी फाइल में सेव कर लेते हैं ताकि जब भी हमें इन फ्यूचर उसकी ज़रूरत पड़े तो वी कैन यूज़ दैट. Now learn the steps to save a presentation. First of all, students, you have to click File tab. In the File tab, select the Save option from the appeared list. In the Save as dialog box, you have to select the desired drive and folder to save the presentation. So select desired folder and drive to save the file. Okay, in the save as dialog box you have to select it. Okay, I will show you where is this in your book. Where are these? Now type the file name and then click save button. Then presentation will be saved. Same steps you can see in your book. We can understand better with the help of book. See, first of all we have to click on file tab. Students, this is the list of file tab. You can see here. As you click here, you get this list. In this list, you have to click on save as or save. Okay. Then you get save as dialog box. This is the save as dialog box. In this, you have to select any one folder or location or drive from here. Okay. After selecting from here, you have to type the presentation name in front of the file name box and then click on save button. These are the steps to save a presentation. Next topic is viewing a slideshow. Students, with the help of slideshow, we can see all slides of the presentation. Means with the help of this feature, we can show all slides of the presentation one by one to the audience. To do this work, we have to follow some steps. These steps are, first of all, we have to click the slideshow tab. In this tab, select from beginning option from the start slideshow group. Means after this you have to search start slideshow group, and then in this group we have to click on from beginning option. Then slideshow will be start on the screen. See in your book. Here this is the slideshow tab. You have to click this. As you click this, all commands of this tab will appear in the ribbon. From there you have to click on from beginning. Okay, as you click here, slide will appear one by one on the screen like this. Students, there is one shortcut key to run the slideshow. We can press F5 key from the keyboard. This is the function key which can be used to run the slideshow. Okay, when you want to exit from the slideshow, you can press to exit from slideshow, press escape key. Next topic is moving around the slides. During slideshow. Suppose students, you have to go to the next slide. What you have to do? आपको क्या करना है? अगर आप नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पर जाना चाहते हैं तो what you have to do? Simply you have to press the right arrow key. Press right arrow key. ये एरो कीज होती हैं कीबोर्ड में. This one is the right arrow key. Next point is you can press the enter key. To move to the next page, or press the page down key. or we can press or we can click left mouse button, left click the slide. You have these 4 points to move to the next slide. Next topic is closing a presentation. To close a presentation, we have to follow some steps. First of all, we have to click on File tab. Then a sub menu appears, or we can say a list appear on the screen. From that list, we have to click on Close option from the appeared list. See in your book, you have to click here. Then this list appear. In this list, we have to click on Close. Okay. बट इन केस ऑफ नॉट सेविंग द फाइल मीन्स आपने फाइल सेव नहीं की है तो क्या होगा, अ डायलॉग बॉक्स अपीयर्स आस्किंग टू सेव द चेंज इफ यू हैव नॉट सेव्ड दैम। तो एक डायलॉग बॉक्स आएगा स्क्रीन पर अगर आपने अपनी फाइल को सेव नहीं किया है, ठीक है। इन दैट डायलॉग बॉक्स यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन यस because we have to save the file, that's why we are clicking on yes। मीन्स फाइल को सेव करने के लिए हम yes पर क्लिक करेंगे, ठीक है। और अगर फाइल पहले से सेव है या जो हमने चेंजेस फाइल में किए हैं हम उनको सेव नहीं करना चाहते, फॉर दैट वी हैव टू क्लिक ऑन नो, राइट। और यू कैन क्लिक ऑन कैंसिल कमांड टू गो बैक द प्रेजेंटेशन, राइट। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज गो टू द प्रीवियस स्लाइड। अगर हमें पिछली स्लाइड पर वापस जाना है, then what we have to do, we have to do first press the left arrow key. This is the left arrow key, students. This you have to press. Next way is press the backspace key. Next one is press the page up key. Next topic is opening an existing presentation. मीन्स एक बने हुए प्रेजेंटेशन को आप कैसे ओपन करेंगे रीयूज करने के लिए। स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू गो टू द फाइल टैब, then again one menu appears on the screen as I have already shown you. From that menu you have to click on open, click open, then open dialog box appear. In that dialog box you have to select the folder or drive in which your presentation was saved. जिस फाइल या फोल्डर या ड्राइव में आपने अपना प्रेजेंटेशन सेव किया था, आपको वो लोकेट करना है. लोकेट द ड्राइव और folder and then select the file. Presentation or file. And now click open button. Students, these are the steps which you have to follow to open the file or folder. Now see what is your homework. You have to do short answer type questions if you have not done already. अगर आपने पहले नहीं किए हैं तो इनको करना है, ठीक है. अगर किए हुए हैं तो इनको नहीं करना है, ठीक. And after that you have to find, not do, find the long answer type questions and write in your book with pencil. Clear to you? Now thank you so much. Have a nice day.